Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to run an app install campaign in Facebook ads. So, for example, if you have an app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store and you want to get more app installed using Facebook ads, then you can consider running Facebook app install campaign. Okay, so this would be a step-by-step process and I will show you how you can do it from scratch. So without any further delay, let's get it started. So we'll be advertising for this app. Okay, so you can see over here, this app is on Google Play Store. Okay, so I have researched all the necessary ad copies for this app. Okay, so you can see over here we are using primary text as unlock your English potential, discover the best English learning app ready to elevate your English skills. Look no further, download our app today and embark on an exciting journey to fluency. Why choose us? Interactive lessons, engaging practice exercises, fun challenges and quizzes, personalized learning, track your progress. Okay, join our community of English learners and achieve your language goals faster than ever before. Get started now. Click to install and start learning today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Download now. The best way to learn English is here. Install now and take your English to the next level. Okay, so this is going to be using as our ad copies or primary text. Okay, so without any further delay, let's implement them in my ads and create the campaign. Okay, so for creating campaign, I'll go to the ads manager section. Then I'm going to be clicking on create button. Then you can see over here, we have different types of campaign objectives available here. Like we have an option called awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. And I have shown you how to create a campaign with awareness objective, traffic objective, engagement objective, leads objective. And in this video, I'll show you how we can create a campaign with app promotion objective. Okay, so you can see over here, if you want to find new people to install your app and continue using it, then you can consider this campaign objective. Okay, so it is basically good for app install and app events. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this option, and if I scroll down a little bit, then you can see we have two options available here. One is Advantage Plus App Campaign, create and sustain high performing app campaigns with less effort. So this is pretty much automated option. That means Facebook will have almost all the authority if you choose these campaign types. And if you want to do manually, if you want to do everything manually, then you can consider these campaign types. Okay, so I want to control everything by my own. That's why I'm going to be choosing app ads campaign types. Okay, then I'll click on this continue button. Then I will name the campaign as learn English speaking app promotion campaign. Okay, so instead of new, I'm gonna give learn English speaking app promotion campaign. So you can customize the campaign name as per your requirements. So we'll not be choosing any special ad categories. And if you want, you can choose this option iOS 14 plus campaign. Okay, so create a campaign to help you reach people using iOS 14.5 and later devices. And iOS 14 plus campaign will not deliver to devices using iOS 13.7 or earlier. Okay, so if you want, you can enable this option. If you want to do A/B testing, then you can enable this button. Or if you want to use advantage campaign budget, then you can enable this option. So if you want to create multiple ad sets and you want to test them for certain days, then you can use campaign budget optimization. That means this option. Okay, so I'll not be selecting any of them. So I'm going to click on next. And I'll name the ad set as learn English speaking ad set. Okay, perfect. So you can name the ad set as per your requirements. Then uh, as the mobile app store, we have different options available here. Like if you want to advertise apps on Google Play or App Store for iPad, Windows Store, Facebook Canvas, Amazon App Store, games, Oculus App Store, then you can choose any of these options. But for the time being, I'm going to be choosing Google Play, and I'll search LMGI Tech. So this is our account name. Okay. So I'm going to be choosing this app, learn English speaking and English grammar. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to either search your Google Play Store account name, or you can give the Google Play Store app URL. Okay. So our app has been selected. Then from the performance goal section, I'm going to be choosing maximize number of app install. Okay, so you can see over here, we'll try to show your ads to the people most likely to install your app. So I'm going to be choosing this option, and if you want, you can give cost per result goal. So this is an optional, so I'll not be giving any cost per result goal. Okay, then I'll keep attribution settings as 1 day click, 1 day view, and when you get charged, it is based on impression, and delivery type would be standard. And if you want to use dynamic creatives, then you can use it. Okay, perfect. Then I'll not be selecting any catalog. Okay, and I will give the daily budget as $40, and I'm gonna run this campaign for next 30 days. So today is October 26th. I'm gonna run the campaign to November 26th. Okay, perfect. Then I don't want to schedule the ads. Okay, perfect. And I'll keep the ads location as Bangladesh. And if you want to customize the location, you can click on this edit button and customize the location as per your requirements. Okay, perfect. And if you want, you can use this option, Advantage Plus Audience. So our ad technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, will prioritize audiences matching this profile before searching more widely. Okay, so if you want to use this option, you need to give an audience suggestions. Okay, so for the time being, I'll not be choosing this option. So I'm going to be clicking on switch to original audience option, and I'm going to click on this button, use original audience. Okay, perfect. So I'll not be choosing any custom audiences or any save audiences. Okay, so our location would be Bangladesh, and is I'll not be targeting any age, so it will be by default 18 to 65. Maybe I can do some customization, like I want to target people with the age range from 18 to 50. Okay, and I want to target all the genders. And as the advantage detail targeting, I'm gonna search for English English grammar, for example, not this one, improve English. Let's see whether we have these options or not. Okay, so I'm gonna be searching for American English, for example. American English as an interest. Okay, so people who have an interest on American English, then they might see my ads. Then I'll go to the suggestion section, and I'm gonna select this option, basic English. Then maybe English language. Then I might choose this app, Duolingo. So this is an English learning app. So you can choose this option. then most probably English studies, British English. Okay, perfect. So you can target those as per your requirements. So for example, for the time being, I'm going to be choosing this as an audiences. Okay, perfect. Then if you want, you can save this audience. So I'll not be choosing, or I'll not be saving this audience. And as a placement, we are going to be using Advantage Plus placement. Okay, so use Advantage Plus placement to maximize your budget and help show your ads to more people. Facebook's delivery system will allocate your ad set budget across multiple placements based on where they are likely to perform best. Okay, so I'll be using Advantage Plus placement, and you can see this is our estimated audience size, and this is our estimated audience reach, and we might get this much app install, okay, on a daily basis. Perfect. And if you want, you can specify your device targeting by clicking on this edit button. So devices would be Android, includes divided would be, devices would be Android smartphone, Android tablet, and this is was version only when connected to Wi-Fi. No. Okay, so I'll be clicking on next. Then you need to choose a Facebook page. So I'm going to be choosing this page. For example, I'll not be selecting this one. Use this page for your ads identity instead of app name. So I'll not be selecting this option. Okay, so this is our app URL, and I'm going to click on add media, and I'll click on add image, and I'll be clicking on upload section. Then we'll go to the download section, and we'll be using this image. Okay, just wait a little bit. I'm gonna select this image, and I'll click on next, and I'll be choosing 1:1 ratio. No, this one is perfect. So I'll be clicking on next, and I'll click on this done button. So this will be our ad image, and I need to provide a primary text. And as I already told you, I have written the necessary primary text. So I'm gonna copy the primary text from here and paste it over here. Okay, so we can enter 5 primary text. Okay, so for the time being, I'll be using only one. Okay, so if you want, you can use another 4 primary text by clicking on this add text option button. Okay, so we are in the headline section, and I'm gonna provide the headline as learn English grammar and English speaking. Okay, so this would be our headline, learn English grammar and English speaking. So if you want, you can enter multiple headlines. So for the time being, I'll be choosing only one, and I'll be using install now as our call to action. Okay, perfect. Then as the destination, I'm going to be giving my app URL. Okay, so I'm going to copy the app URL from here and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. And I'll click on read and accept terms, and I'll be clicking on accept. Okay, perfect. So if you want, you can share your ad preview with your client. And if you want to see the advanced preview, then you need to click on this link. Just wait a little bit. It's taking too much time. So you can, yeah, it was coming. Just wait a little bit. Yeah, you can see the advanced preview of these ads. Okay, so this is for Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook video feeds, Instagram Explore, okay, Messenger inbox, okay, stories and reels, Stream ads for videos and reels, okay, search results, app and sites. Okay, so if you want to share this preview with client, you can click on this share button. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, this is our ad image, this is our headline, this is our call to action, and this is our primary text. Okay, so yeah, everything is okay, everything is fine. So if you everything is okay, you can click on this publish button. Okay, so I'll not be clicking on this publish button because my payment method is not verified, because this is my demo account and I'm showing it for the demonstration purpose. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can advertise our apps through Facebook ads, you know. So hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.